This is the Mackenzie waterfall somewhere in Ballarat area. This is called the Grampians area as well. Look at the waterfall. Nice. Mountains around. And we've got a family here. Sitting and trying to refresh themselves to go back up again. That is the steep up climb that we have to do right here. It's very, very treacherous. That's how we have to go. I don't know how we are going to go, but I'm assuming we will. Nice place, nice weather. Shreya, say hi. Shreya, say hi. Hey.